Okay, welcome to KHS High School Space Club YouTube channel. This evening we're going to explain a little bit about how to observe the sun safely. Here we have a 6-inch reflecting telescope, and if you were to try and observe the sun, which is extremely bright in the sky over there, directly, you would immediately make yourself blind. Your eyes would essentially burn. So in order to observe the sun safely, what we do is we project the image onto a screen, basically. And so we have a box here. I'm just going to tweak it so we don't actually lose the sun. And you project an image onto a piece of white card here, which we've got here, and we've cut a slot the other side so that the only way you can see the sun is to either look on the image at the back or actually look into the slot, and there's no way that you can get your head in there to look up the eye. The other thing we've done is actually the finder scope. We've put a piece of tape over it just in case anybody is tempted to look underneath the finder scope. So that's basically how you observe the sun safely. Okay, we're now going to just talk a little bit about how we adjust the telescope in order to keep the sun in the centre of the screen. So I'm just going to hand over to Rory, who's just going to tell you a little bit about the controls on the telescope.
Right, these two knobs, one of them, this one there, turns the telescope this way, and this one turns the telescope this way. And this little thingy here for the polar axis.
That's right.
And it points exactly at the polar star. And you just adjust the sun on the shading.
Okay, so we're using the two adjusters, and if we align the telescope correctly, it makes it much easier just to follow the sun in order to keep it in the centre of the screen. Okay.
So the surface of the sun can reach 5,700 degrees Celsius, and it's powered by hydrogen, which is fused through nuclear fusion to produce tons of energy and produces helium at the same time. So every second, 600 million tons of hydrogen are fused to produce all this energy. The sunspots that we can see through this are produced from high-intensity magnetic fields, which cause the sun to be slightly cooler in those areas. So it produces a slightly discoloured area on the sun. So just down here, they're very faint, but you can see the sunspots that are being caused by that magnetic field and it getting a bit cooler. If we could move the sun up a bit, you might be able to see it. Yeah, there you can see it a lot more clearer now. Just there and there's two sunspots, and there's also one up here, which are the cooler areas of the sun.